Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open Metamask and unlock your wallet. On mobile, tap the Fox icon or open the browser extension on desktop. Confirm your password or biometrics. Select the Buy tab to start adding funds. The wallet displays supported options and estimated fees. Choose a payment method: crypto, debit card, or bank transfer. If you pick card, expect identity verification and a minimum purchase like 0 or 0 depending on provider. If you choose crypto, copy your wallet address exactly before transfer to the Ethereum or other selected network. Verify network. Use Ethereum for ETH or Polygon for Matic. Different networks have different token standards and fee profiles, so pick the network that matches the token you intend to receive. Check gas fees. A typical ETH transfer can cost 10 to 50 GUI, while Polygon fees are often a few cents. Enter an amount, review conversion rates, and confirm the purchase. Metamask will show the fiat cost, network fee, and total. View estimated arrival times and any third-party provider fees before approving the transaction. Wait for confirmations. On Ethereum, this may take several minutes depending on network congestion and gas price. If sending from an exchange, paste your Metamask address precisely and choose the correct network to avoid lost funds. After funds arrive, check your balance and transaction history inside Metamask. If a token does not appear, add it manually. Add a custom token using the token contract address, decimals, and symbol. Consider setting a small test transfer like to 0 when using a new route to validate addresses and networks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.